Good afternoon. Welcome, sir.
Please, who is your guy? Please, this place.
It's me.
Okay. Sir, please, actually, my name is Kalamine Mopo. I'm a student of law. I studied law. It's over 10 years. I've not seen work. I'm searching for work. Please, sir, I want you to help me and teach me a shoemaker, sir.
Lawyer.
Lawyer, sir.
Nkasi.
What did you say you be?
Sir, I'm a lawyer. I have my certificate here, sir.
Like you are a barrister?
Yes, sir.
Ha!
Is it taking there?
Oh, go. No be una. Wait post for the internet. If you do good, doctor.
Doctor.
Do good, barrister. What you can carry you come? What you can do?
That, sir, nothing they work for Nigeria again. Even at the law I study, no they work again. Judiciary turned even the constitution where they use. It is no, nothing is working. I don't know what else to do. Please, no be me post that. No be me post that. Oga, I beg.
Now you post them. No be una say if you do bad, say na shoemaker. That means you dey let my oga down. He shock you.
Do you know the problem now?
No.
You na lawyer.
Yes.
I no go teach you work.
This man don't old to learn work. We no go teach you. Make I shock you.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Oga.
If you do good, doctor. If you do
No
bad,
Shoemaker.
and you wear shoe. You know the shame. No be shoe you wear come. No be person make am.
Think say they wise.
No be una dey think if you do good. He shock you. I will say I be this oga.
Oga, I beg. Oga, beg now. Talk to your boys, Biko.
I no even get una time.
I beg, talk to your boys, please.
Talk to wait.
I beg, talk to them, please.
Mugbechigu n'ọrụ. Mugbechigu.
Ask again, Mugbechigu Okechi Terigu. Come up for our shop. You know the shame. Come on, the guys. Come on.